The King's Diet. Custard the kangaroo is the king's chef. He is very busy today. The king is on a special diet. He is vegan now. That means no meat, no fish, no eggs, no milk. Only fruit and vegetables. Custard has a long shopping list. Potatoes, carrots, green beans, broccoli, onion, red peppers, apples, oranges, pears, bananas and coconuts. Custard hops to the supermarket. He gets some potatoes, some carrots, some onions and some red peppers. But there aren't any green beans and there isn't any broccoli. And where is the fruit? Oh, there it is. Custard gets some apples and pears, and gets some oranges too. But there aren't any bananas and there aren't any coconuts. Custard doesn't get any meat and he doesn't get any fish and, of course, no eggs or milk either. He hops back to the palace. Time to get cooking. Vegetable stew and fruit salad today. Lunch is ready. The king is excited. He tries the stew. Yuck! Horrible! He then tries the fruit salad. Yuck! Horrible! Ugh. Oh dear. What a bad idea, the king thinks. Lions are not vegan. Lions eat meat.